given that, di ba, in-illustrate nyo several places at once, di ba, payment. But despite that, the COA, according to Celine, gave a credit notice, which basically means that the auditing, in terms of auditing, they passed, no? How do you reconcile that na medyo weird yung payments, but then the COA issued a passing mark, just to...
In answering that question, I'll have to confine the response to the answers already given by the witness. Meron pa kami ibang witnesses who could also answer that. Pwede din masagot din niya doon sa questioning ng senators if they'll ask that or even in cross. But for now, I'll confine my response to what you stated already. So first, kanina, malinaw, no? Doon sa mga isang question, sinabi din niya, tulad nung naging pag-amin ni Acosta, the SDO of OVP, meron din ganung pag-amin na ginawa si Farda, the SDO of DepEd. No? Na sinabi din niya, nautusan siya ng Office of the Vice President na ipasa yung pag-disburse ng funds na ito to a third person. If we will look at the documents, and these are of record naman, kung kailan nangyari yung pag-amin na yon before the House of Representatives, at kailan na-issue yung credit notice, by the time na ginawa yung pag-amin, na-issue ng credit notice.
Okay.
So meaning, they were not able to
Factor that in.
take into account that admission anymore, as opposed to the liquidation or audit of the OVP funds. Na kaya she was able to take account of that admission, kaya dahil after na-issue EOM, dumiretso na siya sa notice of decision. Second, tulad nga ng sabi niya kanina, kahit na may credit notice na, hindi naman yan ibig sabihin kung may finding of fraud, tapos na wala na magagawa. Tulad ng sinabi niya, pwede pa rin naman yung buksan ulit. Within a certain period, and sabi niya pasok pa rin naman sa period.
And she has not opened it.
And as with respect to that, I will allow our witnesses to address that question.
So meaning, as of now, you can't tell me that status yet, no? Kasi continuing pa yung kanyang test. Hindi, tapos na siya. Kukurasa siya bukas.
Yes, but pwede pa rin naman matanong yan. And since hindi niya na-tackle yun, hindi ko muna siya masasagot. I hope you understand. But I'm sure the witness or even the next one could give clarity on those matters.
Okay, thank you.